Hey there, Facebook world. This is Christian Cox, and I'm with the Marion County Public Library, and we're going live today. So if you have any questions about the summer reading program, you can send them in, and I'll do my best to address those questions. But the summer reading program is always a big part of the library, and this year it is called Tales and Tales, and it involves animals and tales in the other sense of big, long stories, exaggerated stories. So we're doing a whole theme with animals and a lot of fun things like that. Now, if you have any questions, you can send them in. I'm going to show you how to use the online, the BookPoints, which is how you keep track of your reading logs, and it's also where you can find out information about everything that's coming up. But for me, in Fairmont, because there are classes going on in Fairview and Mannington, as well as activities going on in all three locations. But I'll tell you that we already had our puppet show, and we are getting ready for our first class, which is going to be a Barnyard Bonanza, and I'm going to tell some fun stories about farm animals, and we're going to make a fun puppet like this. And then some of the other activities that are coming up, the following day after that, we have a real live veterinarian that works in Fairmont that's going to come in and talk about what it's like to be a veterinarian. And then we will have our pet theme, where we will talk about different pets, and we'll have a pet rock adoption, and you can adopt a pet rock, and we can decorate it however you like. This is an older one I have, but I just keep them around all the time. The Raptor Society will be here, bringing owls and eagles and fun things like that. We'll have another class on tall tales about Paul Bunyan and how legend stories like that grow. And we'll have a special story hour theme on jungle animals. And the big event, I'm very excited about this, we're going to have a petting zoo. It's going to have all kinds of live animals that you can come and see and pet and feed, including a baby zebra. So there's a lot of fun stuff to look forward to this summer. We're going to have something called Zoo Tales. Now that's virtual, and you can watch that from home. There will be every other week, starting this week, starting this Thursday, we have our first one of Zoo Tales, where I went to a local zoo called Hovatters Wildlife Zoo, and we took some footage of animals, and we'll learn some facts about those different animals. But, and then the more you read, the more you can earn prizes, and you can earn prizes that have to do with animals like these bouncy balls, but this is a zebra one. There that goes. And you can win these cute little stuffed animals. And I love this one. This is a tape measure. It's a frog. So, anyway, those are the things that the activities and things that are going along. But let's get you signed up first. You want to go to the Marion County Public Library page first. And you're going to look up here. You'll see where it says Summer Reading. You'll click on that. Now, I'm already logged in here, but I'll show you how, if you want to create an account, you'll go here to register. And when you go to register, you come up with your username, which your username is just usually, it could be your first name or whatever you would like. Then your email, then your password. You'll make up a password to get logged in. Then you put your information, your first and last name, which library you are using, your library card, your phone number, and then make sure you're not a robot. You'll click on that, and you get your new account. Now I'm going to skip that process because you can do that at your home. When you do that, you'll get something like this, and you need to add a reader. You can add as many readers. As you are in your family. Liz is here on the side. I'm going to check with her because she is our technical person. So you can add a reader. Let's see, log in. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if I got. As all things, we're going to have some technical.
I think we are going to have to create a new account.
I'm going to have to create a new account. All right.
So that's good, so we can walk everyone through it.
All right. Yeah, let's do that. Let's create a new account. Let's use this address. And I made up let's see. So you're going to make up your password, something you can remember. That's always tough. And then we gotta get down here and confirm the password. And then my first and last name, which library, Marion County. Then I put in my library card number, which it comes up because I use it a lot. And so it should be in there. Not a robot. Create a new account. Passwords do not match. So we'll make it an easier password. Maybe. Yeah, it's already registered. Have you forgotten your password? No. Log in. Let's try that. It really is simple. If you didn't mess around with it earlier like I did trying to get it ready. Alright, so in this account, have you forgotten your password? I'll just say yep, and not a robot, email a new password as a username or email address. Okay. Oh, wait. So let's give him my email a new password. Okay, let's get out of this completely and try again.
Why don't you go ahead and create a new account with your work email
Yes,
address?
I'm going to try to do that.
And we'll do a new username
we'll
that
do a
way.
Yeah,
We'll do a whole new one from start to
All right.
finish for
Create
everyone.
a new account. So let's go. We'll just use Seacox for that, and I'll use my my other email. And we'll do a password. And password. Put in my first name, last name, Marion County. Put in my library card number again, telephone number. I'm not a robot. Once again, create new, and hopefully this works. Okay, this is great. We're good. We're good shape now. You guys.
It just got confused from our past testing.
So
yeah.
Pay no attention to that chaos at the beginning. See how easy it was the second time. All right. So I'm gonna put my name in here as my first name, and then the last name. I have dropped down on not on my age. Okay, grade. I am not in school, so I'll check not in school, and then I'll hit next. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now you have the three options here when you're in this section. You're the kids, adults, or teens. Let's look at the kids because that's who we're talking to today, I hope. Do you want to add another reader? Why, yes, I do. So this reader will just go by Christian. No, this is how we can add another kid if you put their name in, their age, and their grade, and all that. But we don't want to do that. So let's go kind of go back. Yep. All right, so let's go MCPL as kids. Do I need to do that first?
You can just hit no. We don't want to make another reader because you'll be the only one.
Here's my registration. I got the badge all ready for registering. Now there are events that come up, and you'll find the calendar here, and you can click on the events. All the events are going to have codes. If you've already come to the puppet show, you can send in an email to the is it
Summer 2021 at mcpls.org.
Summer 2021 at mcpls.org, and that's where you're going to send all your information in to claim a lot of these things. Now your reading log. This is where you go for that. Let's go to other things to do. There are scavenger hunts, which is kind of exciting and fun to do. You're going to, each location has different scavenger hunts. In Fairmont, we have one that's a safari, and then all these animals are hidden downtown, and you want to try to find them, and then you're going to mark where you found them, and then you'll take a picture of this and send it to that email, summer 2021 at mcpls.org. And once you find those, then you'll get a code to get another badge. Now I'm trying to show you where the badges are. Do I need to create another reader? Is that what's happening? Oh, here you go. Book log. So let's say, now this is for an example. I'm reading The Wizard of Oz. And you can put the author's name in, but the main thing you want to do is how many minutes you put in. So every hour that you read, so let's say I read for 60 minutes and I really like this book. I'll give it 5 stars. I'll put that in. When I do, it gives me my first badge. Now, every time you read for 1 hour, you can claim another badge. On the side here, you'll see activity challenges. Now, activity challenges are things that you could do on your own, such as artistic challenge, do it yourself, make a rice cake bird feeder. I didn't know about that one. That's a movie challenge, Tales on TV. Watch a movie about a dog. The dog can be a pet or a main star. Let's say I watch that. So all I would do is hit claim, and then it's going to bring up another the movie buff badge. Now, this is on the honor system, so you kind of have to, mom, parents, you want to pay attention to this too when kids are doing this. Your reading challenge, you want to read about a book, a pet book, fairy tale book. I have to say I read a fairy tale, I'm going to claim that one. But those are reading challenges, but there are also activity challenges too, like a hobby. Go outside, go to the zoo. You went to the zoo? Since I did go to Hovatters, we're going to claim Hovatters. And so that's just basically ways that you can claim different prizes that way. Anyone have any questions so far? Is there anyone watching? Okay.
If you want to show them where they can enter in their secret codes once they have them.
Sure. Right up here is the secret code box, and then you're going to, you'll get, is it numbers and letters, I'm assuming?
They're usually 1 or 2 words.
1 or 2 words that you'll put in there, and that's how you'll claim that for your badge. If you have any questions, though, you can call us, and you can also email that summer reading MCPL, or summer 2021 mcpls.org. You can email there, and we can answer the questions as best we can. So if you have any questions, you can send them in. If not, I think we are good to go today. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you this summer. So read, read, read. Bye.